Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glory B. You already know, whatever. So anyway, getting right into it, I am going to install this Ashy Mary hair. This is by Ashy Mary Hair. That's the name of the company. I'm going to install this wig. It comes with a wig cap, lashes, and it also comes with the hair, of course, right? So this is 26 inch. This is a glueless water wave pre-plucked 4x4 closure human hair wig, and this wig is 26 inches like I've already said, and it was 180 density, and as you can see, it's beautiful. I love this hair. I loved it. So that's the 4x4 closure, and it comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and also straps in the back. And I paid $177 for this hair. Y'all know I ain't gonna cope, but let's put this baby on. So let me just tell y'all, originally this was supposed to be my little bald cap method, whatever, you know what I'm saying, and it just wasn't giving me what I wanted it to give me. I had somewhere to be. I was finna go on vacation, and you know, if our hair ain't giving, we just don't feel it, right? We feel some type of way. So I decided not to do the bald cap method, but I'm still gonna show y'all what I did, just to show y'all, you know, just to give y'all a gist of why it didn't turn out the way I thought it was going to. But as y'all can see, I'm doing everything right? Y'all see me do the little ear cuts and then put the freeze spray on it, and now I'm putting the bowl hold, the ghost bun, I forget which one, but I'm putting that on there, and blow dried and da. But y'all gonna see there ain't really much for me to talk about. Y'all can just watch the video from here. I've given y'all all the information on it, and yeah, y'all can just relax and watch the video.
If I'm overthinking, I'm really trying, so I should stop it. So hard on myself, it's true. Pick apart the things I do. I've been in hiding, backsliding, keep rewinding, pulling the thread through the loop, trying to find the faith I knew. Always thought that it would just feel right. I've been looking out for signs. I'm scared that I'm running out of time, trying to tell myself I'm fine. I'm waking up and I can't let go. I'm in my head but I can't say no. Hate that I do this all the time. Don't wanna focus another moment on the things that I can't control. I need to find some peace of mind tonight. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. You can plan it, I really thought that I would have it mostly figured out by now. Tired of them bringing me down. It's automatic and it's tragic, cause it matters. Every second that I lose, I wish I could get back to. Always thought that it would just feel right. I've been looking my whole life. Don't care if I'm running out of time. I don't wanna waste tonight. I'm waking up and I can't let go. I'm in my head but I can't say no.
as you guys seen in the video, I ended up not doing the ball cap method. I just wore it as what it was, and that's a glueless wig, and it's true to its name. It's really glueless. Y'all will continue to see what I did, but I just want to tell y'all a little bit more about this hair. So since I made this video, it's been about a month. I wore this hair to Miami, and I've been wearing it ever since I got it. And y'all, this some good hair. This is some good hair, and I don't say that about everybody, because sometimes these companies will send you something and it don't be worth nothing. I paid $177 and it was worth more, honestly. The hair hardly sheds. Like, you know, sometimes curly hair will shed, and it will shed bad. I see strands when I'm combing or brushing it, but it's not enough to make me look at it or make me, you know, it doesn't catch my attention that much. So it doesn't shed a lot. The curl pattern is phenomenal. You can just put water on this hair. You don't even have to put mousse or any curling products. This hair, you can put water on it and it will curl up like nobody's business. So, and I'm not trying to sell it. They didn't pay me to do this. They didn't pay me for promotion, sponsorship, none of that. I bought this hair from my own money and decided to do a video on it for myself. So at the end of the day, this is some good hair. If you're thinking about ordering it, don't be skeptical. Ashley Mary hair is good hair. I love this wig, and I will be ordering more hair from them. It does good in any type of weather. It doesn't dry out. Most curly hair, it will dry out, but this hair doesn't dry out. I love this hair. Love this hair. So I just wanted to let y'all know that.